Claude Sonnet 5 is finally here, and it's sending shockwaves through the AI world. The big question, is it actually better than ChatGPT or just another iterative update? Today, we're breaking down the benchmarks, the pricing, and exactly who should switch. Launched on June 30th, 2026, Sonnet 5 represents a massive leap in Anthropic's flagship lineup. The headline feature? A staggering 1 million token context window, making it a heavy lifter for massive datasets. Even better, it's now the default model for both free and pro users, bringing high-end intelligence to everyone. But raw specs are one thing. How does the economics of this new model stack up? Let's look at the pricing comparison that has developers talking. At just $2 per million input tokens, Claude is undercutting GPT 5.4 significantly. For output, the gap is even wider. $10 for Claude versus $15 for GPT. For high-volume enterprise apps, these savings are hard to ignore. But speed and price mean nothing without accuracy. Let's talk performance. On the SWE-Bench Pro coding test, Claude Sonnet 5 hit 63.2%, outperforming the competition. In blind tests, 47% of developers preferred Claude's coding output over any other model. It's not just code. General OS reasoning tasks see Claude leading at over 81%. Safety also saw an upgrade, with a measurable reduction in prompt injection risks compared to earlier versions. However, it isn't a total sweep. There are areas where ChatGPT still holds the throne. In terminal bench tests for command line execution, GPT 5.5 maintains a slight lead. And while Claude has the window size, ChatGPT often shows higher precision in needle-in-a-haystack recall tests. If you want to try it, Sonnet 5 is already live on Claude.ai and through the new Claude Code CLI Tacho. It's also rolling out as the primary engine for Cursor and GitHub Copilot users this week. The verdict? For coding in complex agentic workflows, Sonnet 5 is the clear winner. But for raw terminal precision and massive document recall, GPT 5.5 still holds a slight edge. In short, it's cheaper, faster, and arguably smarter for technical tasks. For more AI breakdowns, subscribe to Aurelio AI. New technical deep dives every week.